Yo guys, long time no see. I've been gone for a hot minute, but I'm going to get real here. Getting this video together took me a hot minute because I've kind of lost motivation for getting clips up on YouTube. But since I still do want to have clips up on here for, I don't know, historic reference I guess, I had to get it done somehow to make room on my PC. Hope you enjoy.
Nigga, I see through the face shit, boy. My dog lost his life and it changed me. I'm popping Percocets cause the pain deep. Kill a hot box, then we did a drive-by. Get your kids out the street, we finna slide by. I came up robbing real dangerous. They done made
I
the
saw
street
it.
nigga famous.
Tuli ära!
Mis sa said?
House of Mirrors.
mis sa rollid seal üldse?
Red
with onion.
lihtsalt pelte või? Unique pelte?
Kind of, sort of.
Endale lihtsalt
See
või?
fookus on, et rohkem neid tuleks Foulborne.
Headhunter, leather bed, nice one.
Nice.
On jah?
On jah. Ma panin ka tähele eest.
Ta alguses ei uskunud, onju.
No ei oskunud jah. Please ole kulli ja teine mood, please ole õige. Boom! Big money!
Palju kuling on?
Holy! In maps for 20%. Damn. Pretty crazy XP gains. In tier 17s. Nice bears. More bears. Cool. That is level 100 done. GG Nori. Another league. Keepers League this time around. Reach 2. Endgame sucks. But we're surely getting a batch in a day or two. It'll fix everything. Cope, cope, cope. Thanks, Ching, for keeping me grinding. And yeah, good guys.
It's fine, I think. Oh, minus max with volatile cores is a little bad. This one though
And
cannot be stunned. Oh, that is a brick. Cannot be stunned and cannot be frozen.
Okay, that gets quite crazy.
Reroll 21, 20, aga see ei maksa midagi, see ei ole baas Skeledoni.
Oh!
Jukutse,
Aga-
mis sa said?
Mis sa said seda kust?
3.
Droppis lihtsalt.
Lihtsalt troppis jah?
No nice.
Expectations were progressively higher, right?
Mäpperit ei tapo.
Okei. See on mingi mage flood, okei.
I'm fucking printing, hold on. Oh, hell nah. That is fucking ridiculous. Why don't you have doors already?
Yes!
How are you cropping 80?
Yes! 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 Yes!
Okay.
Yes! Let's fucking go.
I can fly you if you want more rockets.
No, it's not needed. Not needed.
I'm on 2 phases!
Yeah, we don't need more base right now. Why is it 1 FPS in there?
I'm 1 FPS in there. Like, what the fuck?
Just fucking around through there. Don't even shoot. Just fucking around through there.
Going back.
Yeah, I know.
Literally located.
I know you do, but then when you turn, your game crashes. Like.
We actually are picking. We do.
He's dead.
I broke the fucking.
I got it! I got it! I got it! We just Mage Blood. The Fallborn Mage Blood. Holy.
I don't care doing this for like
iga
fucking
map
next 2 hours, bro.
jooksen need fucking kastid seal läbi ja
evict them.
siit tuleb seekord midagi ja it never happens. Ma vist ühe
Grabbing
tipi
fight and only with camping plus being racist like.
2 apot.
Find their
Yo! Easy game.
Oh well.
palju apod on praegu üldse?
Mida vittu, Mirror sai keegi? What the fuck?